Alright, by viewer request, here is a Kirby G4. And this G4 is somewhat special to me in that not only does it have 120 CFM at the nozzle, but it has the same brush roll as a Heritage 2 Legend. Although in the G series it's 1 inch shorter. So the results of this G4 should be pretty much exactly the same, if not slightly better, than what a Heritage 2 Legend can do. So let's see how the G4 looks. This G4 was my first G series, followed by a G6, and then followed by a Centria 2, and then lastly was the G5, which is currently down for a bearing replacement. I'll do eventually. And then I guess lastly is my Bill's Lost Cause Dual Sanatronic 80. I've got to go see if I can get to the rear bearing of that thing at some point in time. Just something to add to my list, I suppose. Eventually make a video of it at some point in time. Alright, let's see how this does. Carpet position 3, of course. Medium pile Mohawk carpet. That looks pretty good. There is doodly, highly technical term, doodly, on the top of the carpet. Obviously nothing there. Not even anything embedded into the little concrete cracks. All right, here we go. Well, look at that. A little bit left here, a little bit left here. And I'm not seeing really any clogging. It appears that with a little less CFM than a Centria 2, oh, maybe there's a tiny bit, and also a lot less agitation. It's a much softer brush roll. It leaves a little bit of flour under the carpet, but that's just one pass. You'll probably get it in the second pass. So, really good job. I think mine is dated 1994. Yep, 1994. So, let's see. Looks like a 24-year-old vacuum does a great job. Anyway, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.